Hey dear friends of the Desire channel. Today, I'm going to share a fun and creative tutorial with you. We're going to explore Adobe's Firefly and see what it can do. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. As always, we begin by opening Google. Just type Firefly AI in the search bar. The first result that pops up is Adobe's official Firefly website. Click on it. Once the page loads, you'll see the Firefly homepage. Now, click on the Go to Firefly button in the top right corner. You'll be taken to a new section that shows Firefly's latest updates. Here, as you can see, you can create images, videos, audio, and vector graphics. Today, I'll be creating an image using the text-to-image tool. There are other tools too, like Generative Fill, text effects, text-to-video, and more. You can explore all of them by visiting the site. I'll click on the text-to-image option. This brings us to a super user-friendly interface. By clicking here, you can choose different models. I'm using Firefly Image 4 today. Some other tools require a premium account, just so you know. Now in the aspect ratio section, I'll choose 16:9 widescreen, which is perfect for YouTube and desktops. In the content type section, you can decide whether you want your result to look like a photo or an artwork. Then we have visual intensity, where you can control the overall image detail. In the composition section, you can choose a reference style by clicking on Browse Gallery. You'll find all kinds of options here: pencil sketch, oil painting, watercolor, and many more. Next, we have the style section where you can choose any visual style that fits your idea. And under effects, you can add lighting, shadows, or any other mood you want in your image. Now it's time to write our prompt. As always, I'm using a chatbot for help, and today, I'll use ChatGPT. I search ChatGPT on Google, click on the right link, and now we're inside ChatGPT. I'll type my request clearly and completely. Write a professional prompt: New York City in a pill capsule that is 3D realistic, half of which has the word New York written on it with a black background, and the other half is glass with New York inside the capsule. Now I click Generate, and once the prompt is ready, I copy it and head back to Firefly. I paste the prompt in and hit Generate. After a moment, the images are created. As you can see, the results are really beautiful, although the text rendering still needs improvement. I really like this one. It shows the city nicely, and the New York text looks quite good. Now I go back to ChatGPT and give it this new idea. Write another prompt: the city of Paris inside a glass hourglass that is horizontal on the ground in 3D and made with Unreal Engine 5. The symbols of Paris, such as the Eiffel Tower and Parisian buildings, should be inside the hourglass, and it should say Paris somewhere on it. I click Generate again, copy the new prompt, and paste it back into Firefly. Clicking Generate, and let's see what we get. Once again, beautiful results, though I think they still need some polishing. This one, for example, looks quite nice. Next, I ask ChatGPT for another variation. Write again: I want the background to be dark and studio-like, and the hourglass to be realistically placed on a platform. I hit Generate, copy the new prompt, and paste it into Firefly. This time, I want to see how it looks with no background and more of a studio vibe. As you can see, it turned out pretty well. I actually like this version. It has some issues, especially with text, but the overall fantasy vibe is really cool. Try your own prompts in other AI tools I've introduced and see how they compare. Now I go to the Art tab on the left, browse the composition section again to find something nice. I pick one that I think fits, skip the style selection, and hit generate again. Once again, the text rendering isn't perfect, but the glass hourglass looks amazing, very dreamy and creative. Usually, out of every 4 images, 2 might be off, but the other 2 are really stunning. Alright dear friends, thank you for sticking around until the end of this video. If you found this helpful and inspiring for your creative work with Firefly, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.